Lowe is conscious. First thing she did, ask her lawyer.
I'm not gonna get anything else from her.
Just got notes with Raven and Nelson. Looks like the Flash Squad used the same Syrian IP address to stay out.